What's up, YouTube? It's Fabian Camilo 21 here. I'm gonna put on a video because I just found like this, I don't know if you guys can see it here. This, how to change net settings on the Valet so Xbox can function properly. And I currently am running on you see my router back there. It's, what's that called? A Valet Plus. That's Cisco, by the way. So I'm gonna actually pretty much put into a video on how, like, the instructions is here. I'll be giving you the link as well on the video if you miss something out or if I miss something out. But it pretty much says, it's self-explanatory. Obviously you open your internet browser to your your setup. Over here I have Cisco and I'm running a what? An M20. And yeah, that's my little brother in the background. Obviously you're gonna have to you open the setup tab where it says, hold on. It says open the setup tab, change the MTU size to 1365 and click save settings. So you change this right here. Yeah, you can see that. Obviously I changed it already. It's right here. Change the MT. You leave that a menu, and then you go down here and click save settings. Once you do that, you go into administration tab. Go to the administration tab and then click disable the UPnP, and that means that would be over here in your status bar, and that means go to your administration bar. Obviously wait for it to load. You load it up and you go down here and click the UNP. Thank you. And then you click the UPnP, which is Universal Plug and Play. You click the disable button and then you save the settings. Next, you're gonna go to Applications Gaming tab and click on the Port Range Forwarding tab. So it would be on this one. Wait for it to open. And then you go down to right here, the sub tab. Remember, it's single, port range, port range triggering. So we want to do port range pouring, and obviously I have mine in the living room, which is la sala for Spanish. You name it whatever you want. You can name it ABC, Joe Schmo's Xbox, whatever you want. And then you do the same thing if you have more than one Xbox connected in the house. You obviously do on the start and port. On the start you do 53 to 3074. On the protocol you put both. Your two IP address, you do normal stand one, the 192.168.1, but instead of that second one you just add a 20 and you click enable, and once again you click save settings. Afterwards, you go to your application. Obviously I just explained that. Once you do that, you go to, I'll tell you where you're gonna go. Once you return to the setup page, click on the security tab, uncheck block anonymous internet requests, and click on save settings. So what you do is you go to your security tab, and then on some it says block, filtered, anonymous, whatever. Fucking camera doesn't zoom in. Okay, well you're gonna click this one. You're gonna uncheck it, and then once again you click save settings. Afterwards you are going to your status bar, and then you're gonna take note of your right there. You're gonna take note of this. What the heck is it? Oh, I'm sorry. You go right here. You go right here to status bar. You wait for it to load up, and then you're gonna take note of this, the DNS1 and DNS2, which are pretty much exactly the same, except the last number, which is mine is 130, and from the DNS1, and then the DNS2 would be 129. You take note of that, and then after that, you are going to go to the Xbox, and I'll be showing you what to do. Okay, so once you're on your Xbox, obviously I'm connected to my gamer tag. I do not play Harry Potter, that's my little brother. You're gonna go to the Xbox Live settings, you're gonna go to network settings. If you want, yeah, that's my name. If you want, you could do that. And then if you want, you could go directly to configure networking. On the IP setting and address and subnets, you type the following. You type that one address we spoke about, that 120.168.1.20. You type that. Then on your subnet mask, you type the DNS1. I'm sorry, scratch that. You type the 3 times 255.255.255.0. On that, you type that, and then on your gateway, you are gonna type your the one you open your IP address, which would be that 192.168.1.1. That one is the one you open your router's settings page. Alright, and after that you click done, then you go down to DNS settings and all that crap. You go to manual. On the primary settings, you're gonna type this 162. Let me take the camera still. 167.206.245.130. Remember, those are the DNS1 and DNS2. That one's the DNS1, and then the primary should be the same exact number, but the last number should change into, well, the last two numbers actually, to 129. After that, you click done, and then after that, you're just gonna turn off your modem, next your router, next your Xbox, and you turn them on the same exact thing. On the the actual site tells you to turn on the modem, wait a minute, and then turn off the router, wait another minute, and then turn on your Xbox, wait another minute. I just turned on my modem and waited 1 minute, and then after, for the other two devices, I waited 30 seconds. So yeah, and I'm taking back from what I said earlier on my other video on my iPhone, that I was never gonna do videos on like reviewing things. Well, I'm not. This is not a review. It's actually more of a tutorial. So yeah, just comment, give me any questions you like. But yeah, peace out. Peace.